Yeah, all right, guys, you're welcome to the 23rd question on this very challenge, still on differentiation, guys. And we are trying to make things as easy as possible. We don't want to start storming onto those very tough questions on differentiation. Just want you guys to be very familiar with these easy ones. Then we'll start moving into some difficult ones, and then we'll move into very difficult ones. Yes, I tell you, even the very difficult ones is very simple. I just want you guys to follow through the processes, okay? So now we've got another question to solve. Very simple question. And we are given that y is equal to x squared minus 1 over x. But I don't need to write this stuff as 1 over x. I decide to write it as x to the minus 1 as index 1 because I told you when you're differentiating polynomials like this, you manipulate the powers. Although we will talk about differentiating quotient rule, that is when you have something on top, something on a fraction, you want to differentiate a fraction. That's when you apply quotient rule. So we will talk about that stuff, but not for this very simple problem. We can start using quotient rule for this simple problem, okay? It's too simple to use quotient rule. So better still, we just need to transform 1 over x to x minus 1. And you know why we are doing this stuff. So guys, let's keep moving. So y equal to x squared minus x to the minus 1. So right now, I can differentiate. You can see that y is expressed in form of x, right? So that means we can differentiate y in the form of x. I mean, with respect to x, sorry. So just like differentiation, this guy will multiply the base. So that will become 2x. And you move 1 from here, that becomes 1. And this guy multiplies this one. This is actually minus 1 here. So minus 1 multiply minus 1. That will give us plus x. Are we getting this stuff? Then remove 1 from it. That becomes negative 2. So this is the same as the y dx equal to 2x plus, what is x to the minus 2? It's the same as 1 over x squared. And that is option C. You see, everything here, if you look at all the options, they are almost the same, just signs, difference of signs. So that means if you make a little mistake, you might follow one of the options. That's really crazy, guys. So you have to be very careful. Look at this stuff here. This minus 2 here. Look at this one here. This minus, there's a minus here initially. This minus 1 multiplies. There's actually a 1 here. I hope you guys know that. So minus 1 multiply minus 1 here. That is plus 1. I don't need to start writing 1 here. It's not necessary. You guys know that. So that is how this minus changed to plus because of the minus power multiplying the minus here already. So that is how everything has worked out. And this is our answer. And this is option C again. So guys, I'm sure this stuff has been helpful. Please let us know in the comment section. Share this video to other learners. That is one way to appreciate us. And of course, we really deserve it, isn't it? So share this video to other learners. Put it on your status. Put it on your status. Let everybody see where you're learning from. So thank you so much for watching. I want to see you in the next challenge. Bye for now, and God bless you.